Oh, hi. Welcome back. I see you're back for more shenanigans
Hey,
from...
turtleneck.
Right? This is actually pajamas, but my mother gave it to me for Christmas, and she thinks that pajamas are okay to wear all the time, so I said...
Okay.
All right. All right, so we've got another recipe from Deliciously Ella that I wanted to try out. I'm sorry, back-to-back recipes out of this book, but... In case you're new, hi, I'm Janet. She's Maddie behind the camera. We're the only vegans in the village here. This is the Deliciously Ella plant-based cookbook that I got for Christmas. And today, we're making none other than the one and only Fudgy Brownies.
Ooh.
Now, it says right here, this is her most popular sweet recipe that they've ever had at her deli. So
we got
it
high
must
hopes
be good,
here.
right? It must be good if people like it. But I'm not using chia seeds. I'm using flax. And I don't have any coconut sugar. I have like this much coconut sugar, and that's not enough. So I'm switching out organic cane sugar for that. So, and I can't use almond milk because I'm allergic to tree nuts.
So these will be gluten-free. And
these
nut-free.
will be gluten-free, nut-free, and vegan. She also says use a handful of walnuts. I'm sorry, I can't. So I've already pre-started here. I consulted Google, and this recipe is cooked at 190 degrees Celsius, which in our world, our country, is 374. So we're going to do 374. There you go. And I've already measured out my buckwheat flour and my raw cacao powder. So I'm just using the Bob's Red Mill buckwheat flour. I like buckwheat. It gives a nutty flavor, and it should be pretty fluffy because it's a light powdery flour. It's not going to be gritty at all, so I like that. All right, I've got those two things in there. I've already set aside my vegan eggs. So in case you didn't know, this is a tablespoon of ground flax and some water.
Isn't it like 3?
But she said 4.
Oh. Usually we do 3 tablespoons of water to 1 tablespoon of the flax.
But this time it's 4. Scandalous! Okay. I'm also going to put in a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. That which we know as baking soda. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And a pinch of sea salt. Oh, I feel like the Swedish chef. Slop it up. Alright, also we're going to need the sugar now, so that's 330 grams. So we're going to use the scale to measure this, everyone's favorite. And we're on grams. We're going to zero out. I need a little light because I can't see either. All right, 330. Going. We're at 100. Whoops. Whoa, that's a lot of sugar,
That's a lot
Ella.
of sugar. Oh my goodness.
No wonder why she used coconut sugar.
No wonder why this is so popular.
Yeah, that too. Whoa! Don't tell Granny later. Still going. Still there.
Oh my god, how many cups do you think that is?
I think that's probably about 2 cups.
Woo!
Mine heart.
Yeah.
So let's get rid of the scale and just whisk this, pre-whisk it. All right, that's sufficient. So now we're going to be adding our oat milk instead of the almond milk, and I tried to consult Google, and I didn't get a straight answer from Google about how much 100 milliliters is. I believe it's 1/3 of a cup. We'll see. All I could get from Google was like, 1 cup is 240 mils, so if you have 100, it's not going to be a cup. Really?
Cool story.
Yeah, right? And now I melted some coconut oil. I really, really, really love using this butter-flavored coconut oil. Navitas has a This probably is Navitas, and they just threw a Thrive label on it, but I like the butter one. And it's a refined coconut oil, so you're not going to get that coconut flavor, which is great because my husband hates coconut. Freaking hates it. So he'll like this, though. All right, we're going to use 130 grams of coconut oil. I think that's where we went wrong yesterday, possibly, on the muffin recipe. But it turned out delicious anyway. I really liked it. All right, you come back here, scale. All right, stop me when you think it's 130.
I don't know. Stop, just kidding.
No. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's like 97. 113. How much do we need?
130.
There. All right. And then that is all of the ingredients. So we're just going to give this a quick
What about
mix.
your flax egg?
That's not all of the ingredients. We're going to add the flax egg in. And then we're going to give it a quick stir. I have the right size bowl today.
Wow.
Right?
That's still a little tight.
Yeah.
In my world.
Sorry, I didn't have the giant bowl. Okay, it seems a little thick, but I think it's supposed to be thick. Again, it says pour the mixture into, well, it doesn't say it's supposed to, like, you know?
I think you could use a little more liquid.
I think you're right. Let's just go with a little more. I don't want it to be a turd, you know?
Mm-hmm. Nobody wants that.
Nobody wants a burnt turd with fur. I think that looks a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's still not pourable, but at least it's not, like, you know, dry.
Right.
All right, I guess, right? We're going to have to press this into our pan. They gave the measurements in centimeters, but I didn't want to have to. So we're just going to go with this size.
Looks good.
And we've got some coconut and avocado and safflower high heat spray here because I don't want to scrape this out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it's a hefty. It looks promising. All right, well, I tried to make it as pretty as I could.
I think it looks pretty good.
Okay. We're going to pop this into the oven at 374 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, right? Until cooked through, but still a little fudgy in the middle. So we'll be back in half an hour. All right. Does it look like the picture without the walnuts? I think it turned out pretty nicely.
Yeah,
actually.
We're not going to taste it right now because we're bringing this for dessert.
But
to Granny's.
It puffed up quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
It did sink a little bit. I left it in the oven with the door open after 30 minutes so that it could cool very slowly. And it feels nice. It doesn't feel gross in the, you know, like...
it doesn't feel like you're going to go like this and it's going to be like...
Yeah, yeah. And it feels substantial. It's still a little warm. I would cut it, but I don't want to cut it when it's this warm because it really needs to cool completely.
Yeah.
Before you cut it. Otherwise, it's going to fall apart.
It looks like a beautiful brownie.
It is a beautiful brownie. It smells wonderful.
Fudgy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to enjoy that later. I hope you enjoyed making the recipe out of the book. I'm going to give you a little preview. For my birthday, please make me the red velvet cupcake.
Okay, message received.
So that is at the end of the week. We've got 2 vegan birthdays this month because we're the only vegans in the village. So thanks for stopping by. You might want to consider a subscription if you're new. Thanks if you're not new. We appreciate you watching.
Oh, that's nice, Shawnee.
And until next time, much love.